Okay, guys, this is kind of a seminal moment. I'm working with a uh, a 2 times Barlow. I never did it before, and I don't have much of a moon, and I just wanted to see if I could bring up something and get it in focus. And I don't have much of a moon, but I just wanted to get something in focus and get the contrast up and gain, gamma, and brightness down. Let me move around to get something more substantial so I can focus it. I'm going to just creep right. This should be twice as close as we've ever gotten before, but I need to have something to focus on better than what I see on the screen. I see I do have a little spot. I don't know if that's on the lens or let's go. Looks like we got more up here. I have no idea where we are on the moon, and I know that I'm running out of moon because of the roof over my head. But I thought, since I didn't have that much time, it would be a good time to put in a Barlow and just to see. Let me just slow it down and see if I can focus it now. Okay. Okay, no. Okay, a little bit better. A little bit better. No. Oops. Hit the wrong one. Okay, now let's turn the contrast up. Let's go into camera control and see if we can get brightness up a little bit. See, I knew this might just be a test video for Mike and me to look at because of the fact that I'm running out of daylight and I'm just experimenting, really. I have 2 Barlow lenses, and this is the very first time I've ever put one in. Okay. Let me see if I can go down. Okay. Now let me see if I can focus on that. You can see it's windy tonight too. Nope. Nope. It does appear to be more sensitive, certainly. Let me go to camera control. You see the wind blows. I wasn't even going to come up, but I had the camera set out and it was windy, and I figured, well, I might as well try something before I shut it down. And the moon was kind of getting high, and let me turn up the brightness just a tad. and the gain. It's very clear that we can use the Barlow on this thing. And I think that if we had some definition on the moon, we should, let me jump to the right. And I think based on a full moon and everything, this is not bad. You are seeing an awful lot more detail in these craters. That's a defect on the Barlow, but I have two of them, and I have a 3 times Barlow, but we'll worry about that later. Let me see if I can maximize this image. You can see the wind blowing it. You definitely don't want to use a Barlow when it's windy. You just want to be calm. No, that's not my porch. That's the wind. And I'll turn the gain up. I have the contrast all the way up. I'll turn the brightness all the way down. I'll turn the saturation up to, right now it's at 9. Sharpness is at 8. I just turned it to 9. Gamma is at 113. I turned it down a little bit and see it brings out a little more detail. The gain is at 37. Camera control is -6. I'm going to turn it down to -6 too much. -6 is what it is. Okay, let's try the focus again one more time. No. I think we're going to be able to use a Barlow with this camera and on a good moon. Okay, I'm going to jump up north. See, that's fantastic. We're seeing a lot of detail that we just didn't see. I mean, look at this thing on the right. What in the hell is that? You can see that I'm going to be excited about using this kind of stuff and exploring this moon. And I have the rate on 3, and it doesn't, and when I use the rate in the